Guess what we get to pretend play with? A Minnie Mouse kitchen toy and play food. Let's make some cupcakes. Add a little milk. Stir it up. Scoop it out. Now it's time to bake it in the oven. Let's watch the batter rise. Ooh, yummy! Cupcakes are ready, Mickey and Minnie! Now let's cook some eggs. First, we have to crack it open. Here's your eggs, Mickey. Now let's use this waffle maker. Pour in the mix. There's a good-looking waffle, but it doesn't look like it's done yet. We better flip it. Now it's done. Let's cut a strawberry to put on top of the waffle. Here's your waffle and strawberries, Minnie. Time to pour the coffee. Now let's get Mickey his cereal. Add some milk. And your cereal is ready, Mickey. Now let's get Minnie's. Here's the milk. Here you go, Minnie. I'll pour you some ice water, Mickey. And here's a lemon. Here's your ice water, Minnie. Oopie. And a lemon. Would you like more coffee? Thanks for pretend playing with me. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.